Today we are making very tasty 3 ingredients vanilla ice cream, which is much more tastier than the store ice cream. So first we need 2 cup of cold whipping cream. Any brand's whipping cream can do. The whipping cream should be cold enough. Then you need to beat this until stiff peaks. Now I have beaten this for 3 to 4 minutes and you can see the peak is still falling. This is a soft stage peak and we need to beat this more until stiff peaks. Now it has been 8 to 10 minutes at least and this is a stiff peak stage. You can see the peak is not falling. This is what we need. So this is done. Now in this I am adding approximately 200 gram of condensed milk. Now the best thing about the homemade vanilla ice cream or any ice cream is that you can adjust the amount of sweetness that you want. So I have just added approximately 200 grams. You can add more or less. You need to mix this nicely with the whipping cream and then you can taste. I felt that it was a bit less sweet, so I have added some more. This was a 400 gram can. I used almost, you can say, 250 gram, and now again I am mixing this. You need to mix this very nicely because the condensed milk tends to sit at the bottom of the bowl and we do not want that. Now I am adding a few drops of vanilla essence. Just add 1 teaspoon, not more than that, and again mix this very nicely. Now for storing this I am using this airtight container, which is a plastic container. You can use any steel or any type of container that you have at your home. Now pour all of this into this container. You can level up using a spatula or a spoon. Give it a tap and close it with the lid. This is also an ice cream box and you need to store this for minimum 12 hours in your freezer, not in refrigerator, freezer. So I freeze this for 24 hours because I forgot. So this is how it looks after 24 hours. I'm using this scoop wala spoon to scoop this out. You can use any spoon that you have at your home. The texture, you can see at the texture, this is exactly the same texture that you see of any vanilla ice cream. This is not any alternative to vanilla ice cream. This is exactly the same vanilla ice cream that you get from outside. The taste, is the same. The consistency, the texture, everything is same. I'm adding some sprinkles, which is optional. You can also add choco chips or you can have it like that. This is very tasty. This was, the best thing was, of course, that you can adjust the sweetness. It wasn't very sweet. It wasn't very bitter. Of course, it wasn't bitter. So this is our 3 ingredients homemade vanilla ice cream. You can make it at your home and have it. So make this and make your family happy.